What's up, guys? Doug Miller here, CEO of Merican Labs. Here at Merican Labs, we take science very seriously. So today, we are going to do a full breakdown of our new amazing pre-workout, A-Bomb.
And I'm Carl Frady, head of public relations here at motherfucking Merican. Woo!
All right, let's get right into it. The first ingredient, Lcitrulline. Lcitrulline is an incredible ingredient, especially at the dose of 6 grams. The clinical dose of Lcitrulline is usually only 3 grams. Well, here at Merican, we doubled that up. 6 grams of Lcitrulline for increasing nitric oxide and helping with that pump during the workout.
Double the fun, double the pleasure. Woo!
Second ingredient, one of the most studied ingredients out there, at a full clinical dose of 5 grams, creatine monohydrate. So creatine monohydrate is crucial for helping replenish muscle ATP. ATP is the energy source in your cells. When you're working out, ATP changes into ADP, releasing a phosphate. That release of phosphate releases energy and helps drive your workouts. So what creatine does is helps replenish that phosphate onto ADP, increasing ATP. So an amazing ingredient in here at a clinical dose.
More power! Power, power, power!
Next ingredient, BetaAlanine. BetaAlanine is also a very studied ingredient. It's pretty simple in terms of how it works. Think about it as helping to buffer lactic acid and increase your endurance.
Buffer, 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 buffer.
L-tyrosine. That's the next ingredient at 1 gram. So L-tyrosine is an incredible ingredient. It is an essential component for the production of several neurotransmitters, including epinephrine, norepinephrine, and dopamine.
Chuck Norris loves this formula!
Obviously, we have to have caffeine in here. 400 milligrams of caffeine anhydrous. You guys all know what caffeine does. That's what's going to give it the real kick here. Caffeine, 400 mg.
Woo! Woo!
We then move into Areolas. Areolas provides therapeutic mood-boosting effects due to its ability to increase levels of dopamine and norepinephrine in the body. An incredible ingredient for a euphoric effect.
Better quality Areolas. Woo!
All right, pull it together. Next ingredient on our list of this incredible new pre-workout A-Bomb, we have AlphaGPC. AlphaGPC is basically a more bioavailable form of choline. It supplies choline to the body, which is critical in increasing acetylcholine, which is a critical neurotransmitter, helps increase focus, concentration.
Be alpha and get choline!
The next ingredient is Vaso-6. Vaso-6 is a really cool ingredient. This is a pump ingredient that comes from green tea extract.
Enhance your gobble gobble!
Moving right along into some of the fun ingredients that we have in here, we have Noopept. Noopept increases the expression of BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, and increases acetylcholine signaling. It also provides a mild cognitive boost after supplementation, as well as a subtle psychostimulatory and neuroprotective effect.
Psycho! Psycho, psycho, psycho! Woo!
Isopropyl Synephrine, another really cool ingredient. It's a modified version of synephrine that has a high attraction to androgenic beta receptors that are responsible for the release of energy from adipose tissue. It really also has a nice effect on mood and focus because of its effect on dopamine and epinephrine.
You about to be dope up in that gym, bro. Dope!
The final ingredient, huperzine A. Huperzine A works in conjunction with the sources of choline and the other ingredients that increase acetylcholine in the body because it inhibits the enzyme that breaks down acetylcholine, that critical neurotransmitter. And so that's going to help increase focus, memory, learning, and all of that.
You won't forget where you're at.
So there you have it, a complete pre-workout from Merican Labs. It has performance, it has focus, it has endurance, it has power, it has energy, it has it all. 2 amazing flavors, Alpine Pew Pew, which is like a citrus dew, and then we have Wild Blue Yonder, which is just like a fruity medley. Carl, any final thoughts?
Never big enough! Never big enough! Never big enough! Woo!
And there you have it, folks, A-bomb.